One of the best accessibility options, in my opinion, is called Dictation. We can find that within accessibility, and it's in the subsection of interacting. Essentially, when we have dictation enabled, I can use a number of dictation commands to edit and control documents. So essentially, I can write something on pages without using the keyboard at all and just using my voice. Here are all of the commands that I can use. Now, before we get going, we need to decide on an enable command, in other words, a keyword that I can say to the computer to get it going. I'm going to choose just the word computer. We'll open up a pages document and let's see how it works. Computer, start dictation. Hello, my name is Nick Acton and I am using the dictation tool to write something out. Select previous paragraph. Delete paragraph. Undo that. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll down. Scroll down. As you can see, this is a brilliant tool for children with poor fine motor skills.